Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2016 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number X283XX. Only 26,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Siren Red in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty on this Cruze. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Body is free of dents or dings. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. And that's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 40 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.